Hey girls, so I'm back with another video. Today is a crazy video. So I'm attempting to put a quick weave in my head. I'm just using this argan oil. Did I already tell y'all, like, I'm keeping these braids in because I'm just gonna lock my hair. I had what do you call them? I had the faux locks. Girl, when I tell you I'm never gonna get those again, I don't know what I was thinking, but I got those faux locks thinking that, oh, this is a protective hairstyle. Girl, that didn't protect nothing, honey. If anything, I feel like they were, like when I tried to take them out, they were so hard to take out. Like, I was gonna use a black one, but I don't even think I can find it anymore. So I'm gonna use this dark brown cat. Girl, I gotta clock in for work. Slay by Jordan said to use the strips instead of using the I do not know what that stuff is called, but I'm gonna put it on the screen because I cannot remember what this stuff is called. But it's basically the stuff that's supposed to you should be able to take your wig cap off really easily. But girl, I'm scared of that. So I'm going to do what Jordan told me to do. Don't worry about what I'm doing, like tying it all on my head and stuff. That's just to get it, like, get it in the spots that I want it to be in. It's okay. Put your cap on. I'm gonna come back once I get the bundles back. Drop a comment if you're a work from home baddie like me. And hit the like button if you are a work from home mom like me. Okay, and if you keep your kids. Like, I want to be a work from home mom who also has daycare, because this is just not it. Girl, let me blow dry this hair. Why am I giving y'all the tea or whatever? I don't know. Okay, girls, so we have it about 99% dry. And I will say that if you want it to be like jet black, you should probably get another box of this. So for you to get your hair to be dyed jet black for just $2, that's amazing. I mean, I guess $2.50 now since the dollar store caught itself going up to $1.25. But I'm gonna just finish the rest of these bundles, drying them, and then go ahead and put it in my hair. One thing I will say is that I don't know what it is about coloring your hair black, but it always makes it so much softer. So the hair is so much softer. I'm so excited about this this, what do you call it? What am I doing? A quick weave, a flip over method. Ivy's flip over method. That's probably gonna be a whole nother video though, so. Okay, so I done sewed it down, and now I'm just gonna take this Fantasia spray. Everybody be swearing by this. I never used it before, so I'm gonna use it today on when I actually, this was $6.29. Anyway. So I'm supposed to be able to cut the perimeter off without it like doing its own fucking thing, but I'm literally so scared to do that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start gluing, starting with the longest bundles. I already did like 3 rows, I want to say. So this is how it's looking. So I'm just basically taking it to my ear, and I'm gonna keep doing that, and I'm gonna like go, just basically go all the way around like a half moon, all the way till I get to this top part, and I'm gonna leave that space open. I'm gonna show y'all what I do with that part. So now apparently I have to cut off this, you know, the extra pieces. Okay, girls, so this is what we're working with. It looks really good, like for right now, because like just imagine if this was done, like my front part. So let me take down the perimeter. Well, not the perimeter, but you know, the front part. I'm just really hoping that I didn't leave too thin of a piece out to go right over. But I think this is gonna be fucking fire. Y'all let me know. Are y'all one of those people who use the electric hot combs, or do you do the OG shit? Because that's me. You know, so let's do some layers, because I feel like it's the way that this is laying. It's like this side is gonna be the way that it lays. I wanted it to lay on this side because this is like, the left side is like my side, but I'm looking at it now and I can just tell that this is the natural lay. So that's the way I'm gonna do it. It's not that big of a deal. Girl, the perks of working from home is this is one of them. Also, the perks of knowing how to do your own hair, honey, yeah. Or at least knowing, you know, how to keep it looking okay, please. So I'm gonna spritz it. And I'm gonna go over it. I don't know, maybe I spritzed it too much, but super shiny and also makes it stay in place. Okay, y'all, so I done straightened the weave. Look at it, it's giving. I used that Fantasia spray and I am now one of the girls. I swear by it after that. Okay, I'm about to do the front of my hair. I think this is gonna be cute. Yeah. Okay, so I did not style it. I just straightened my hair and put this little piece to the back. Okay, so like to camouflage, what you'll do is just pinch your natural hair. Girl, is y'all for real? Because y'all should have never, ever brought quick weaves back, because now I'm about to be on it. Yes, I look so cute. Like, I love this, because look at this. It looks really natural. And it's literally this thin piece of hair out. It's like a fall. I don't know if y'all old enough to know what a fall is, but it's really giving schoolgirl. It's really giving college girl. Yeah, I really like this. This is really cool for like back to school hairstyle. I really like this. I give it a 10 out of 10. I also give this a 10 out of 10 because look how it straightened the hair. Like, I feel like I've never been able to like feel like my hair is not gonna like poof up. This is the truth. Okay, so like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're gonna try this hairstyle. This is Ivy's flip over method in a quick weave. It's really cute. It's really cute. It's giving realistic. It's giving, what do you call that? Micro links or tape-ins on a budget.